What's up, guys? We're back, and today I'm going to be putting a Texas Speed cam in this 67, I believe, Camaro. It's got a 6.0 LS in it with 4L60. Cam of choice is Texas Speed Magic Stick 3, so this boy ought to thump. No converter yet. He's gonna wait and see how bad it is. I told him it's gonna be pretty bad. I'm about to pull out this truck, get this in there, and I'll bring you guys here in a second. Here is the cam kit, okay? Here's the cam card. Let you have a good look at that for a second. Otherwise, this cam is also known as the Magic Stick 3. It's a bad unit, boy. It's a big one. We also got Texas Speed dual 660s and some new push rods to go with it. Get this truck backed out of here and get that car in its place. But here, I'm gonna go ahead and start up for you guys to show you guys. Really nice. Got some digital gauges. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Here's a little before for you guys, so I can do that after with the cam. Here's the engine. Like I said, it's 6.0. Looks pretty good in here, honestly. Somebody did a pretty decent job. I mean, some of this could be cleaned up, but get this thing pulled in, like I said. All right, we're about to dig into it. I'm about to pull the coil packs and valve covers off of this and get the rockers undone, get the push rods out of there, because I will not be pulling the heads to do this cam swap. And before you guys go in the comments and say you heard something ticking, it's an exhaust leak. I heard it too. Don't worry. The oil pressure is great. This thing runs fine. But yeah, I'll set you guys up, put a little time lapse on, and I'll catch you guys when that's done. I got the valve covers, coil packs, push rods, and rockers out of here on both sides. So what I'm gonna do now is start taking off the front of the motor stuff. I might set you guys up, I might not. I don't want to bore you guys that bad, but probably most likely. Got everything out of the way, and I'm sure you guys saw me fighting it. It took a lot longer than it needed to, because I'm pretty sure the guys that did the swap, had just a bucket of bolts, and they just grabbed stuff that like kind of somewhat fit and threw it in there. I mean, the radiator was held in by 4 different size bolts. There's only 4 bolts in total. Okay, then timing chain cover. Who in the right mind says, let's put studs in a timing chain cover? Because guess what? It don't come out. Are you kidding me? This is absolutely stupid. It's not going back in there with studs, because I have the right bolts. If you guys have a brain in your head, do not stud your timing chain cover. I mean, that's ridiculous. That means that you would have to extract the studs after you take off the nut, if you ever wanted to take off that thing again. All right, got the timing chain cover off after the slight misunderstanding between future and current workers. Put it off. About to line up the timing marks and then pull that cam gear off there, get it off there, stick dowel rods down the motor, and get that cam out of here, and then get that new MS3 Magic Stick 3 in there, baby. Cam plate and cam gear off there. So what you guys want to do, since I have no push rods or nothing in it, the cam spins freely, you want to spin it over as many times as you can, get all them lifters, push them in those trays, take some 5/16 dowel rods, shove them all the way down through these 2 holes. It'll hold the lifters up. Okay, as you can see right here, this is me pulling out the factory cam. So be real nice and easy with it. You don't want to hit a lifter and knock it out of the tray. You'll be crying the blues. And then right here, here's me putting the Magic Stick 3 back in there. Again, be careful. All right, Magic Stick 3 is in and tight with the cam gear. It's back in time. I don't know if you guys can see that dot down there. You want to line up dot to dot, make sure they're straight up. Yeah, I cleaned up the cam gear a little bit because you could not even see the dot wipe down the oil pump. This motor's just kind of dirty. Now it's time for a reassembly. But I'm not gonna bore you guys out with that. I'll just catch you guys back when I'm doing the valve springs. Okay, I got the front of the motor back together. Everything ready, and fans, all the water pump stuff back on there. About to start doing the valve springs. Usually I put air in the cylinder, but I'm gonna try a different method this time of just spinning the motor over to the firing order and put the piston all the way up so the valves don't fall down. So right now, dot to dot should be cylinder 1 and 6 should be top dead. This side's a whole lot easier than that side, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side first. So if you do it right, the valve shouldn't fall. You should be able to kind of hold it up when you put the new spring in. All right, there you go. There's 2 Texas Speed Dual 660s installed on cylinder 6, and now I gotta go over there and do cylinder 1. But yeah, I'll catch you guys back up when all of them are done. Probably gonna take a little bit. That side was gonna be tough. All right, both sides are done. The valve springs now, as you can see, it's done. So now I'm just gonna put it all back together, and I won't bore you guys out. It's all back together and everything. It's in there making the adjustments. Start it up here in a minute. Got a little exhaust leak. Idle down a little bit, still idle a little bit high because it's still cold. Coolant temp's only 120 right now. That magic stick is hitting though, boy. These cams sound the best sounding cam on the market, in my opinion. That right there is the aftermath of about 7 hours cam swap. If you guys seen how quick that thing busted off. Big thanks to my tuner, Strong Speedworks. He tunes LT1s, Gen 1 LT1s, and LS, and some Fords too. Get a hold of him, Strong Speedworks on Facebook. Get his number. If you guys are in the Tulsa, Oklahoma metro area, hit me up for all this kind of stuff too. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll do it for this episode. See ya.